tell you, Mark, for myself, I rely on myself to protect myself. I'm not relying on any of them, but I'm sure it's too many.
There's a 20-year-old girl. She couldn't rely on herself to protect herself. You and I can. But there's a lot of people out there who can't.
I understand what you're saying, Mark. Going back to the Rubio point, hey, Rubio's got to go. I moved to Florida for the sole purpose to vote against Rubio. I moved from Huntsville, Alabama. I've talked to him several times.
Well, unfortunately, to vote in the last election.
Well, the problem is, I mean, I can't believe what my guys in Alabama did. Like, I can't believe that they voted that swamp creature in. But the truth is, when you're in Alabama, and this is what's happening to us across the country, we're having the Democrats come into the Republican Party.
All right, now we'll switch to record player.
Primary system in Alabama, or they do?
You pick it up, pull it toward you, it turns on, and set the needle down.
By evening, the shoemaker had easily sold the second pair of beautiful shoes and had run out to get more leather. This time, he bought enough to make 4 pairs of shoes. And so it continued from day to day. Finally, his wife said, "Let us hide in the shadows and watch to see what happens during the night. Some kind neighbor has been helping us, and I should like to know who he is so that I may in turn help him." So the shoemaker and his good wife blew out the candles, threw more wood on the fire, and hid in the shadows behind the door.
The tone works.
The snow fell softly on the roof. The icicles hung like silver spears in the moonlight, and the frost made little pictures on the window panes. All the village had gone to bed. The night watchman had long passed the door with